Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the American Eagle Best Fit buttons to adjust your waistband for a better fit. You can buy this online at American Eagle's official online store, or you can visit your local American Eagle retailer. First, insert the prongs through the waistband at your desired position. So here are the prongs. And then next, press the button onto the backing, making sure the holes align with the prongs. So basically, you will separate these two first, the prong and the main button. And then after you align them and press the button, then you must rotate the button 90 degrees to lock it securely in place. Once locked, your waistband will stay fitted until you decide to remove it. Remember to take off the button before washing your jeans to prevent damage. And basically that's it. Now you can customize your fit easily.